Welcome to Plan and Practice Hindi channel. Today we will see lesson 6 Pratmik. Chalo bazaar chale. Come we will go to the market. Mother, Ma, we'll go to the lesson now. Ma, beti aaj to itwar hai. Mother is saying to her daughter, today is a Sunday. छुट्टी का दिन है ना. Today you have a holiday, is it correct? Like that she is asking her daughter. जरा बाजार जाकर सामान लेके आओ, ले आओ. Like that she is saying. She is saying to her daughter, mother is saying to her daughter, today you have a holiday na, so you go to the market and bring some things from the market. बड़ी बेटी, elder daughter, जरूर माँ, अपनी 5 मिनट में, अभी 5 मिनट में जाऊंगी. Sure mother, I'll go to the market in 5 minutes. Younger daughter, दीदी मैं भी बाजार चलूंगी. Sister, I will also come to the market along with you. ले जाओगी ना? Would you take me? So younger sister is asking her elder sister. So elder sister is saying, हाँ ले जाऊंगी, जल्दी तैयार हो जाओ. Yes, I will take you. You get ready fast. Shoti, that is younger sister is asking elder sister, दीदी बाजार यहाँ से कितनी दूर है? How far is the market from here? So elder sister is saying, अगली गली में पहुंचकर means reach. So already they have reached the next street. Gali means street. Both of them have reached the street and elder sister is saying market is in the next street. Elder sister एक बड़े मकान को दिखाकर she showed one big building to her younger sister. यही बाजार है. This is market. इसे नया बाजार कहते हैं. They say it is new market. नये means new. इतवार means Sunday. छुट्टी means holiday or leave. बाजार means market. 5 minute 5 minutes. तैयार means get ready. कितनी means how much, how many, how far. In this context. Ugly gully, next street. So these are the meanings of the Hindi words. We will continue now. Now the younger sister is asking elder sister, इस बाजार में क्या क्या चीजें मिलती है? What all the things we get in this market? So elder sister is saying, इसमें सब तरह की चीजें मिलती है. Here we get all type of things. Sab means all type of varieties and all type of things we get here. चलो बताती हूँ. I will explain you. हम पहले किराने की दुकानें देखेंगे. We will see first grocery shop. यहाँ दाल, मसाले, इमली, नमक आदि मिलते हैं. In this shop we get dal means dal. Masale means the masale that we use for cooking. Imli means tamarind. Namak means salt. So these are the things we get in this shop. Choti, younger sister, क्या यहाँ चावल नहीं मिलता? Do we get rice here? She is asking elder sister. Elder sister is saying, चावल की दुकानें अलग है. So rice shops are different. They are separate. So younger sister is saying, सब्जी की मंडी कहाँ है? Where is the vegetable market? Elder sister is saying, उधर देखो, सीधे सामने की कतार सब्जी की दुकानें हैं. You saw the queue or the series of people standing there, line up. Did you see the line up? So those are vegetable shops. वहाँ सब तरह की तरकारियाँ मिलती हैं. We get all type of vegetables there. तरकारियाँ means vegetables. चलो कुछ सब्जियाँ खरीदेंगे. We'll buy some vegetables. So younger sister is saying, माताजी ने साबुन और टाल्कम पाउडर खरीदने को कहा. वे चीजें कहाँ मिलती हैं? So younger sister is asking, mother asked us to buy some soap and talcum powder. Where do we get these things? So elder sister is saying, साबुन आदि की दुकानें पीछे ही कतार में है. पीछे की कतार में है. So it is in the back side of the series of shops that is there in the market. So younger sister is saying, क्या दीदी कपड़े की दुकानें भी यहाँ है? So younger sister is asking, sister, do we have here shops for clothes? So listening to that, the elder sister says, हाँ कपड़े की दुकानें भी हैं. यहाँ कई तरह की सलवार कमीज और पतलून के कपड़े, कई प्रकार की साड़ियाँ बिकती हैं. Yes, we have here the shops for clothes. We get here different varieties of salwar kameez, trousers, pants and different variety of saris in these shops. Younger sister is asking, क्या हथकरघे और खादी के कपड़े भी मिलते हैं? Do we have here handloom and handmade clothes in the shop? Do we get these types of clothes, that is handloom and handmade, hand woven cloths which can be cotton or in silk thread, which is made in spinning wheel? Using spinning wheel they make these clothes. Do we get these type of clothes in these shops? The younger sister is asking. So the elder sister is saying, हाँ उनकी अलग अलग दुकानें हैं. Yes, there are different type of shops for these. छोटी, that is younger sister is asking, दूसरी मंजिल में दुकानें हैं. Do we have shops in second floor? Elder sister, हाँ दूसरी मंजिल में दवाई, बर्तन, चप्पल, जूते आदि की दुकानें हैं. Yes, we have medicine, vessel, shoes and chappal shops which are available in second floor. These shops are available in second floor of the building. रास्ते सस्ते दाम में स्कूल के बच्चों के लिए कागज, नोटबुक और पुस्तकें मिलते हैं. In economical or cheap rate we get books for school children and college children here. We get notebook and books here for them in comparatively less rate or economical rate. So younger sister is saying, अच्छा अब चलो घर चलें. Now we'll go home. She's saying it to elder sister. So this is the lesson, and next we will see Shabdarth. Ugly next. किराने की provision store. किराने की provision store. दुकान shop. इमली tamarind. नमक salt. सब्जी vegetable. साबुन soap. कतार row. Katar row. Patloon pant. Patloon pant. Sandiya sarees. Sadiya sarees. Alag alag separate. Alag alag separate. Manzil story. Bartan vessel. Bartan vessel. Bikna to be sold. To be sold. Next we have the practice part. Patloon pant. Patloon pant. Imli tamarind. Imli tamarind. Manzil floor, that is first floor. It can be first floor or any floor. We say manzil for that in Hindi. Sabun soap. Sabun soap. Bartan vessel. Bartan vessel. Next we have विलोम शब्द. शब्द लिखिए opposites, right opposites. जल्दी धीरे धीरे. जल्दी means fast. धीरे धीरे slow. जल्दी धीरे धीरे. इधर उधर. here there. इधर उधर. पीछे आगे. back in front. पीछे आगे. बेचना खरीदना. बेचना means to sell the products. खरीदना to buy. बेचना खरीदना. देन वाक्यों में प्रयोग कीजिए. राइट इन सेंटेंसेस. दे हैव गिवन अ वर्ड, वी हैव टू यूज इन सेंटेंसेस. नमक. नमक का रंग सफेद है. द कलर ऑफ द सॉल्ट इज व्हाइट. नमक. नमक का रंग. रंग मीन्स कलर. सफेद है. नमक का रंग सफेद है. कतार. बाजार में दुकानों की लंबी कतार है. क्यू. So in market, in all the shops, we have a long queue for buying the things. बाजार में दुकानों की लंबी कतार है. अलग अलग separate. अलग अलग चीजों के लिए अलग अलग दुकानें हैं. For each different item, we have separate shops. बर्तन. बर्तन की दुकान वहाँ है. The vessel shops are there. बर्तन means vessel. Vessel shops are there. बर्तन की दुकान कहाँ है? It is कहाँ है because question is given. कहाँ means where. Where are the vessel shops? बर्तन की दुकान कहाँ है? बिकना. यहाँ कई प्रकार की साड़ियाँ बिकती है. Here different varieties of sarees are sold here. बिकना to sell. यहाँ कई प्रकार की साड़ियाँ बिकती है. Different types of sarees are sold here. यहाँ कई प्रकार की साड़ियाँ बिकती है. So we will see the remaining exercise in the next video. Hope you all understood. Thank you.